Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Fizz here, and today I'll be showing you how I animate my combat animations. This is just to help you guys with making your combat animations and give you a few tips. Now, just want to let you know that I'm a scripter and I don't usually animate, but I think these animations that I made are pretty good, which I'll show you here. So, without further ado, let's get into how I animate these. But wait, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell for when I upload another video. Also guys, I'm sorry about not uploading a video in a while, but anyway, let's get into it. So here, pretty much, I'm just going to show you my process of animating in a time lapse, and in areas that I want to talk about something, I will stop the time lapse and show you some tips. And alright, so first off, we're gonna have a load up, so they're just standing and then they go into the punch pose, and then we're gonna have a wind up, so we just pull back the character. And then make his head turn, yeah. And if I just were to pull him forward, then it would look like he wasn't putting any power in, so that's why we make him pull back for a load up. So now what I'm gonna do is make this cubic to imply more power, and I'm going to start rotating his torso. Now in the next frame, just keep rotating his body, turn his head. Okay, so let's check this out. Alright, so I noticed that his foot is kind of like floating, so we just want to push that down and make sure that his foot is on the ground. Yeah, that's better. Alright, so now in the next part, just rotate his body a good bit more and move his legs so that it looks natural and it's not like a robot just turning. So now we're going to just move his arm in to show that he's punching forward. Now on the next keyframe area, we're just going to tilt his body a lot more, make sure his head is facing forward. And also just fix up his legs here so that it doesn't look like he's just rotating his body by itself, but he's actually moving into the position. Now after we've positioned our character, we can start moving his arm into a punch position. And now we have the basic punching action. Now we just have to develop it into something better. The next keyframe spot, just start making it like a bounce effect, so his body will go and shift forward and his arm will bounce back. And yeah, so just keep doing that, and for this keyframe we're just doing a bounce back effect so that it looks like the punch impacted. Now we're just checking over the animation and making sure some bits and pieces are well and they look natural. Now to continue the combo of punches, we copy the last keyframe, and create a new animation. And here we're just going to name the LMB2. And we can paste in that and start doing the same process except on the other side, just making sure where the wind up starts, and we can just start making that so it's pretty much just the opposite side. So I'm just going to show you guys the time lapse of it. Now I just put them into one animation to see how they look side by side. I'm pretty happy with how it came out. So without further ado, that's the end of the video. Fizz out.